Hello student, welcome to next practical of Advanced Java Programming, that is write a program to create a JTree. So today we see the component JTree. We already see the JTree class in theoretical part in chapter 2nd Swing. So remember, JTree is the one class in Java and which is present in javax.swing package. We revise some points regarding JTree. First is JTree class is used to display the tree structure data or hierarchical data. Means in tree we can display the data in hierarchical form. Then next, the user have the ability to expand or collapse individual subtree. Okay, so we can expand the tree or we can collapse the tree. JTree is the complex component, and in JTree there is one root node and others are the subnode. And this class is inherited from JComponent class. So this is some important points regarding the JTree. And package, remember this package javax.swing.tree. Okay. So in this practical, some program outcomes like basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tools, individual and teamwork, and communication. These are the some program outcomes of this practical. Then practical skill, able to implement the JTree with its methods and able to write the program using JTree. So after this practical, student must know these 2 points, or you must to perform these 2. Okay, then there is some constructor are given in this your manual. We already see this part in theoretical, so we directly see the program. Okay, in your practical there are 2 programs. Develop a program to demonstrate the use of tree component in Swing, and second program, write a program code to generate the following outcome. Okay, I will demonstrate the first program, and all student perform the second practical as your exercise. Okay, then this is JTree component. It is displayed like this. Okay, so second program is exercise, first program we see in this practical. Okay, so the output of our first program is like this. Here style is the root node and color and font is the subnode of the style, and in color there are many options, 4 options: red, blue, black, green. So we simple generate this tree in first program. So let's start the program. Okay, develop a program to demonstrate the use of tree component in Swing. So okay, so first we import the 2 packages. First package is import javax.swing. Why? Because we use the JTree component, so we must import this package. And second package is javax.swing.tree.default mutable tree node. Remember this, in this D is capital, M is capital, T is capital and N is capital. Default mutable tree node. This is one class used to create the node in the tree. Okay, so first we import these 2 packages, then we create one class tree example, public class tree example. Then inside class we create one frame, JFrame. Okay, object of JFrame, F is the object of JFrame. Then we define the constructor of class tree example. Inside constructor, first we initialize the frame F is equal to new frame. You can declare this frame in single line also. Okay, then next, in our tree, style is the root node. So I create 3 nodes by using class default mutable tree node. So remember, this is very important. Default mutable tree node is the class used to create the node in the tree. Okay, many time the question is asked in theory exam also, MCQ type. Okay, so default mutable tree node is the class used to create the node in the tree. So in this I create 3 nodes. First style. Okay, first create I create 3 objects, and the objects with title, style, color and font. Okay, so first is default mutable tree node style is equal to new default mutable tree node which have the title, style, okay, or label. Similarly, I create color node and font node. Okay, so three tree nodes are created. Okay, then second, I want to add the color and font into style. Okay, so why? Because style is the root node, main root node. Here style is our root node and color and font are subnode of tree, subnode of style. Okay, so for that I write the code. Style is the object of the root node, style dot add color, style dot add font. Okay, so these two, color and font nodes are added under style. Okay, so these two are the sub node of the style. Then I create another 4 nodes, red, blue, black, green. Okay, so code is same. Default mutable tree node, create the object and pass the label that you want to display in the tree. Okay, so I create object red and also same title red. So pass the title in the constructor of the class. Okay, so first node is red, second is blue, third is black and fourth is green. Okay, I give the same name as the object name and the label name. Okay, so it is easy to understand. And then I add the all 4 nodes under the color. So the code for this, color dot add red. Okay, then color dot add blue, then color dot add black, and last one, color dot add green. So all these 4 nodes are added under the color subtree. Okay, next, this code is very important. Here is one constructor of JTree. We create one object of JTree. JT is the object of JTree is equal to new JTree. Here this style is the one node that is we created at the initial point in the program. So remember this, in this constructor you pass the root node. So here we set the root node of tree by passing in the JTree constructor. Okay, so style is our root node, so I pass the style in the JTree. And then next one, that JTree is added into frame. So code for that, frame object f dot add JT. Okay, so JT is the object of JTree and it is added into frame. Then by method set side and set visible, we set the size of frame and then we set the visibility of the frame. Then here class is completed, constructor of class is completed, and then we define the main method, public static void main string argument. Inside main method we create one object of our class tree example. Okay, so this is simple program. Code is very simple. Remember, default mutable tree node is the class used to create the node. Okay, so by using this class we can create number of nodes, and according to your requirement you can add the node in the tree. And this code is very important. The to set the root node, pass the node in the JTree. Okay, so here I pass style, so style is the root node of our tree. Okay, so this program is saved by this name, tree example.java. So I already saved this program. Then open command prompt. First command is javac space file name dot java. Okay, our program is compiled successfully. Then to display the output, second command java space file name. Okay, so output is display like this. Okay, one frame is display and in frame the tree is added. Our root node is style, so main node under style there are 2 sub node, color and font. When you click on color, the 4 nodes are displayed: red, blue, black and green. Okay, so this is simple program to create the J tree. Okay, all student try the second program, try to execute to get this output. In this, India is the root node and Maharashtra and Gujarat are the 2 subnode, and under Maharashtra there are 4 another subnode: Mumbai, Pune, Nashik, Nagpur. Okay, so all students try this program to execute, okay, and complete the manual, theoretical part and programming part. Okay, so thank you.